All right, guys, we'll get some milling done today. We got like 4 logs to do today, so here we go.
Laugh that hard.
I was just sitting there thinking, do I want to leave that in there? Would they understand what you were saying?
Probably not.
All right, guys, here's what we got done today before the rain come in.
While the rain was in?
Yeah, and while the rain was here. Now, I gotta wipe the lens off again. How many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 26. And 2 2x4s. Plus, we got some slabs right here out of it. They got some really nice spalting on them. We'll probably resaw those so he can make some tables and stuff out of them. Maybe a picnic table. But I think this stuff, if you make like outdoor stuff with it, you'll have to get some of that spar urethane.
Oh, yeah.
The outdoor stuff.
It'll probably
really
go in the
it.
outdoor kitchen, canning, butcher area at some point.
Yeah.
This will all be covered in kind of like a gazebo.
Cool.
Screened in gazebo.
We got 3 more logs down there and another one that's kind of split and broken. Probably just going to end up being firewood. But yeah, I think that's going to be it for the outdoor activities today.
Yep.
I'm getting a little too wet.
Sunshine and baby goats out here.
No. This is real life outdoors in the woods. I've only been here, what, 5
days.
5 days, 6 days, something like that.
Yeah, somewhere around there.
Yeah,
I
that's,
remember when you got here.
yeah. You lose track of time out
I've just
here.
been lately trying to figure out where to put your bedroom. I don't know where to put it yet.
I should have just brought my shipping container down here and just lived in it.
Might as well at this point.
All right, guys, so I guess that's going to be it. Might go into town and upload some video if I can get something put together for you. But yeah, I'm not going to stay out here much longer in this rain. So we'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.